and welcome back for science. So today for science, y'all are going to be doing science independently since I'm out this afternoon. So I'm going to show you where you're going to find your science activities for this afternoon. So you guys know that you're already going to go to classwork. You're going to look for week of February 22nd through the 26th. You're going to scroll down and find Thursday science must do. And there's two activities in here. The first one, you're going to watch the video, which is right here. So you're going to click on this link. You're going to watch the video of about the life cycle of a mealworm. The next activity, you're going to click on this link right here, and it's going to take you to an anchor chart of a life cycle of a mealworm. And I want you to get your science notebook and turn to the next plain page. And I want you to draw this exact life cycle of a mealworm in your science notebook, okay? So remember, first you're going to watch the video right here, this YouTube video. Then you're going to click this link, life cycle of a mealworm, and it's going to take you to an anchor chart of a life cycle of a mealworm. You're going to draw this life cycle in your science notebook, okay? So the first stage of the life cycle is an egg emerging, an emerging mealworm. Then you have the larva. The next cycle is a pupa. And then the last cycle is the mealworm. So you're going to draw this life cycle of a mealworm, this exact life cycle that you see right here in your science notebook. Yes, you can use crayons. Yes, you can use colored pencils, but don't use markers, guys, okay? So after you draw, you can color it, all right? So don't forget to make sure you complete this science activity. And once you've completed that, you turn this activity in to Google Classroom. I hope y'all have an awesome afternoon, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.